Welcome to Timebeat Breaking News channel. Here are our breaking news today. 1. A new number of COVID-19 infections has been reported in India. 2. The worst COVID-19 death tolls are reported in South America.
COVID-19. A new number of COVID-19 infections has been reported in India. India's army opened up its hospitals on Friday as the daily tally of COVID-19 infections continued to climb. More than 386,450 new cases were reported on Friday, bringing the total tally to 18.7 million since the beginning of the pandemic, the second highest behind the U.S. The Health Ministry also reported that another 3,498 deaths had been counted, taking the death toll to 208,330. India has set a daily global record for more than a week with an average of nearly 350,000 infections. Daily deaths have nearly tripled in the past 3 weeks, reflecting the intensity of the latest surge. Battling to find hospital beds, distraught people are flooding social media and messaging apps with heartbreaking pleas for oxygen, medicines and room in intensive care units. India's Army Chief Naravane met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday to discuss the crisis. Naravane said the sick can approach their nearest army hospitals for help. Health Minister Harsh Vardhan expressed hope that assistance being sent by over 40 countries will plug the shortage in medical supplies. The United States is sending more than $100 million worth of items, including 1,000 oxygen cylinders, 15 million N95 masks and 1 million rapid diagnostic tests.
COVID-19. The worst COVID-19 death tolls are reported in South America. The mayor of Colombia's capital, Bogotá, has warned people that they are in for the worst 2 weeks of our lives. Uruguay, once hailed as a model for coronavirus containment, now has one of the highest death rates in the world, while daily death tolls in Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, and Peru have recently surpassed previous highs. Also in Venezuela, where the repressive government is known for concealing health statistics and any hint of disorder, coronavirus deaths have increased by 86% since January. As vaccinations become more widespread in some of the world's wealthiest countries and citizens prepare for life after the pandemic, the crisis in Latin America, and especially in South America, is worsening, potentially jeopardizing progress made well beyond its borders. Despite having just 8% of the global population, Latin America was responsible for 35% of all coronavirus deaths last week. Latin America was already one of the world's hardest-hit regions in 2020, with bodies sometimes abandoned on sidewalks and new burial grounds cut into thick forest. Yet even after a year of incalculable loss, it is still one of the most troubling global hotspots, with a recent surge in many countries that is even more deadly than before. The length of Latin America's epidemic makes it even harder to fight. The region has already endured some of the strictest lockdowns, longest schools closures, and largest economic contractions in the world. Thank you for watching. We help you stay up to date all the news hourly. Please subscribe our channel to follow up the latest one.